of a building. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, central Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 5 p.m. At 1:05 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Joliet, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Woodridge, Chicago Heights, Roseland, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, Park Forest, Homewood, and Alsip. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The following is